Hey folks, pretty day across the valley today. The humidity kind of built back in as the day went on, but plenty of blue skies and gorgeous. And I think we're probably going to continue to see decently clear skies overnight, but then tomorrow clouds start to build back in. This is radar today, and you're just not seeing much. It's been a very quiet day for a change across the area, and that quiet is probably pretty short-lived. Here's future track, and let's just watch. Overnight tonight says no issues. Clouds come back, but don't expect any rain overnight. And most of the day tomorrow should be dry. But then by late in the day, here we go. Let's move this forward and look to the west. Here comes stuff out of Mexico again, working eastward. And there's potential for that stuff to be strong to even severe as it moves eastward. But notice as it moves across the valley, it does weaken some, runs into the cap and falls apart again. That warm air in the upper atmosphere that kind of puts a lid on things and keeps it from going. But we have to watch again tomorrow, because if we can break that cap, we could get a thunderstorm in here, and strong damaging winds a possibility again, and hail a possibility again. Best chances in the western part of the valley, Starr County, up into Zapata County, even western Hidalgo County. By the time you get to the eastern half of the valley, the chances go down just a little bit. So your day planner for tomorrow says most of the day is fine. Starts warm and humid in the morning, then it goes up from there. By afternoon, temperatures climb up into the 90s. But again, a stray shower or thunderstorms a possibility. Moisture increasing as a disturbance makes its way in our direction tomorrow and gives us that increased chance of rain that's going to linger into Friday. Here's what it looks like. There's a front on the map that's kind of forming as we speak. That front's going to sag southward, and I think again for the most part tomorrow's a dry day, but as that front settles into the region late tomorrow into tomorrow night, an upper air low, that's the one with kind of the white halo around it, is going to continue pushing southward, and as it does, that combined with that front is going to give us an increased chance for showers and thunderstorms. That comes down into here, so late Thursday night into Friday, and then Friday during the daytime, scattered showers are a possibility. That front finally washes out, but there's still a kind of a boundary laying through there. With that boundary kind of hanging out through here, even though the front's gone, with that boundary there between some slightly drier air to the north and more humid air to the south, that could be the focal point for shower and thunderstorm development again on Saturday. But I don't think it's widespread Saturday. I think both Saturday and Sunday you're looking at isolated stuff where most places don't get rained on, but if you're out driving around, you could see one of those big dark clouds off on the horizon. A few folks pick up a shower or thunderstorm. There are your rain chances, kind of peaking Thursday night during the daytime on Friday. There are your temperatures right now in the low to mid 90s across the area. Tomorrow, after dropping into the 70s overnight, we're going to warm back into the 90s during the afternoon. And if you look at the 3-day highs, that's where you see the changes. Take a look at this. We go from 95 tomorrow to only 85 on Friday, and then 88 degrees on Saturday. So for tonight, 75, clear to partly cloudy. We'll watch for a little patchy fog, but the nights are pretty short now, so fog has a hard time forming. Temperatures get to the dew point, doesn't last long. Then tomorrow, partly sunny, could be an isolated shower thunderstorm. The best chance for that will be late in the day, moving in from the west. Scattered stuff's around on Friday, as well as that front kind of draped over the area and all kinds of moisture in the area, so there could be a couple of showers and storms on Friday. And then I think by Saturday, yes, there's still activity, but less of it. Much more miss than hit for the weekend, and that carries into next week as well. Coming up in the next half hour, we're going to take a look at some of the damage from Zapata back during those storms and talk about whether it was a tornado or straight line winds that caused it, and we'll look at the weather in Florida where that rocket didn't go up today. That's coming up in the next half hour. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.